Stay with us for that. But first, are you one of those people who claim they just don't have time to read a newspaper? Well, Britain's first new daily paper for 25 years is being launched today, and it's aimed at just that market. The tabloid format I comes from the company which produces The Independent. It's owned by the Russian tycoon Alexander Lebedev. Colette Macbeth has the details.
It came rolling off the presses this morning, but until last week, Operation I was so secret, even most of the journalists who work on it didn't know a thing about it. Now, the I is aimed at people who are time poor but still want to read a quality newspaper. So we're told the stories in here will cut to the chase. But at 20 pence, it's also considerably cheaper than its mother paper, The Independent, which leads to the question, if this one is successful, will it be at the expense of that one?
No, I think both papers are catering for totally different markets. They're in totally different parts of the market, and we're doing a lot of improvements to the Independent at the same time, which will move it a bit more up market. So we're catering for two different needs with two very distinctly different papers.
But The Independent, now priced at £1, has seen its circulation fall steadily. And some media commentators think the launch of the I could now affect it and its rivals.
It's basically a kind of an independent light. And I just think if you make something, you're possibly devaluing quality papers still further. Because if you're selling something that's as good enough quality as The Independent, but for only 20p, then are you sending the message that newspapers don't have the same value they used to have?
In fact, today was the last paid-for daily to launch, and its price was 18 pence, only 2 pence cheaper than the I. The editor says that makes this new offering value for money, something it suggested could not be said of footballers. Colette Macbeth, BBC News.
That all looks quite interesting, doesn't it? Now it's time